What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We got another video of humans acting like bouncing kangaroos on motocross bikes, running around on the tracks, lots of different race clips, huge air. These are super impressive jumps. You guys race? What do you ride? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We got moto content, builds, all kinds of cool off-road stuff going on this channel. I throw together these compilations every once in a while to test the algorithm to see how bad we get copyrighted or if the video even gets blocked completely. Posted one the other day I had to take back down because, well, they blocked it because of one of the clips. Kind of strange, they say I'm copywriting them, but I am not directly using these clips. I'm modifying them. I'm putting voiceovers behind them, doing all kinds of different stuff. I am not just taking their video and reposting it as mine. I don't claim these videos. These are other people doing stuff that no. I'll race three-wheelers. I'll race four-wheelers. I'll run around on the motocross track. Sure, no problem. We've got a freestyle jump back there. I still yet to hit that thing. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when I do hit that freestyle ramp on the 250R. Yep, it's gonna happen. Just not quite sure when. Comments on these videos help push the videos, and watching them as far as you possibly can help the videos go out to more and more people. So, to help out the creator and help out the channel, watch these videos to the ends, throw a comment down there, even if it's an emote just for engagement. We've got memberships available at a cheap price. You guys need help at all, you can get a hold of me and ask me anything you need to know on builds, mechanics, whatever. I'll help you guys out pretty much any time of the day, whatever I can. I'm doing it all the time. I get messages, people asking for help. We help them out. We get them rolling. The company motto has been make concept a reality. This channel's helping me get to more people to make their concept a reality. I've been a motocross junkie my entire life. Been a mechanic and playing around with race stuff my entire life. None of this is new. I'll be 50 this year. Help the channel grow. Help the videos get to more people. Let's get on to these crashes and high-flying antics in the motocross world. I thank everybody. I appreciate the members that we've got. There is a Discord, and I'm live streaming on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel if you want live tech help while I'm there. There's over 1,000 videos on this channel. You want to check it out? Go ahead, flip through, hit some of the different playlists we got. You can just hit autoplay, have it in the background, or search around for different things. Got a lot of how-tos, tips, and tricks. We don't do things the standard way around here. We are a little bit off base, but been doing it a long time, and we work with what we've got. I have a hard time telling people no. They say they need something built. They've got an idea. We will do our best to make it possible. I'm building swing arms. I'm building front ends. I'm building triple clamps. We're turning dirt bikes and quads into three-wheelers. All kinds of different stuff. Lifted big reds, mud trikes, and motocross stuff. All kinds of fun. Flip through, check out the different videos, comment on the different videos, let me know what you think. Always interested to hear what everybody's got to say.
Yes, the whole shot will go to Stewart. Oh, Stewart just went all the way over the tabletop and tripled out. Yep.